Very good morning, students. Welcome back to online class in physics. Today we are going to discuss measuring mass in measurement unit. We commonly use the term weight, which is actually the mass. Do you understand, students? We commonly use the term in daily life weight, which is actually the mass. Many things are measured in terms of mass in the commercial world. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. In any case, the units are based on the items purchased. For example, we buy gold in milligram or gram, medicines in milligram, provisions in gram and kilogram, and express cargo in tons. In this session, we will study about some of the instruments used for measuring mass. The first one is common beam balance. A beam balance compares the sample mass with a standard reference mass. Standard reference masses are 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg. This balance can measure mass accurately up to 5 gram. The next one is physical balance. This balance is used in labs and is similar to the beam balance, but it is a lot more sensitive and can measure mass of an object correct to a milligram. The standard reference masses used in this physical balance are 10 milligram, 20 milligram, 50 milligram, 100 milligram, 200 milligram, 500 milligram, 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram and 200 gram. The next one is digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measurements, digital balance are used, which measure mass accurately even up to a few milligrams, the least value being 10 milligram. This electrical device is easy to handle and commonly used in jewelry shops and labs. The next one is spring balance. This balance helps us to find the weight of an object. It consists of a spring fixed at one end and a hook attached to a rod at the other end. It works by Hooke's law, which states that the addition of weight produces a proportional increases in the length of the spring. A pointer is attached to the rod which slides over a graduated scale on the right. The spring extends according to the weight attached to the hook and the pointer reads the weight of the object on the scale. Accuracy in measurements. We need accuracy in measurement, students. When measuring physical quantities, accuracy is important. Accuracy represents how close a measurement comes to a true value. Accuracy in measurement is centered in engineering, physics and all branches of science. It is also important in our daily life. You might have seen in jewelry shops how accurately they measure gold. What will happen if little more salt is added to food while cooking? So, I hope everybody understood the importance of accuracy in measurements. So it is important to be accurate when taking measurements. Faulty instruments and human error can lead to inaccurate values. In order to get accurate values of measurement, it is always important to check the corrections of the measuring instruments. Also, repeating the measurement and getting the average value can correct errors and give us accurate value of the measured quantity. I hope everybody understands, students. Thank you.